一次咧，就喺呢個大會演當中咧，俾多啲掌聲同埋歡呼聲咧，我哋所有就係嚟自世界各地嘅一啲團隊啦，同埋我哋咁多部咁靚嘅花車啊嚇！好，我 join 翻你 Alison 先，係啦。
好啊，嗱，講到今晚嘅花車咧，真係有好多嘅精彩表演咧，準備好逐一為大家呈現啦。當中咧有唔少係第一次喺香港演出添嘅喎，我哋陣間咧可以同大家陸續介紹啦。咁當然都有好多好熟悉嘅面孔啦，好熟悉嘅朋友仔咧，會係再次重臨我哋花車巡遊匯演嘅。
係啊，嗱，其實除咗睇咧呢個花車之外咧，識睇咧要睇呢個表演團隊啦，因為有好多嚟自世界各地咧好多精英嘅人馬咧就會係表演嘅，兼且咧我哋見到咧我頭頂上面有一個圓形嘅 LED 光啦，同埋我哋全場所有嘅 LED 光，仲有呢一個咁大型嘅 LED 光咧，都可以見到咧就係外面咧喺彌敦道啦、廣東道啦。花車巡遊嘅情況，咁啊見住呢一度咧，可以話係目不暇給。其實眼睛都真係想旅行啊，係周圍望咧，係啊，都未必睇得晒啊。
係嗱，當中咧除咗話係美輪美奐之外咧，仲驚喜處處。我唔講咁多住，大家咧陣間花車巡遊匯演開始嘅時候咧，可以陸續發掘、陸續享受嘅。Here at the very entrance, at the very beginning point of the International Chinese New Year Night Parade, we are seeing this spectacular scope with Marco joining us, our lucky elf, taking photos. Don't forget that he will also be carrying along a Polaroid camera. So if he says hello and he wants to take a photo with you, Marco, can we demonstrate how to do a photo together? 其實馬哥咧都準備好為大家影相添㗎。嗱，佢呢一部手機可以即時有張嘅即影即有，所以如果佢哋可唔可以影張相？當然啦，佢用嘅身體語言去到邀請你影張相啦。記住要擺翻個最靚嘅 pose 俾佢影喎。
可以多啲動作㗎喎，係啦，可以揈下手啊，心心啊，俾個 like 啊，等等等等。哇，咁樣嘈好震啊！嗱，其實咧，大家影咗個相咧係有用㗎，係點樣嘅時間線協調啦？因為咧係啦，見到咧就係行政長官咧就係攞呢個寶麗來啊，即影即有啊，係啊，即時可以將呢個開心嘅影低落嚟啊！嗱，聽落都好勁嘅，一 keep 住咧呢個 vibe 啦。香港旅遊發展局咧馬年第一個節目就係以開年開運開心嘅花車匯演咧，歡迎各位香港嘅旅客同埋市民一齊歡度咧大年初一嘅晚上啊！
To keep the energy going, to kick off the year of the horse here at the Hong Kong Tourism Presenting, we welcome locals and visitors alike to enjoy yourself at our very own Chinese New Year Night Parade with the theme Best Fortune World Party. Join us for a night of joy and good fortune to ring in the brand new Lunar New Year.
今晚嘅匯演咧係雲集咗咧好多隊嚟自世界各地嘅中外精英咧係參與演出㗎，當中咧就係有13隊咧首次來港演出嘅，而陣容可以話係非常之鼎盛啊嚇！亮點嘅表演咧包括曾經就係亮相春晚嘅中國好齡富美青年英歌隊啦，聯同咧就係被譽為係中國小小非遺傳承人啊，年僅6歲嘅英歌小女孩莊欣琪咧為大家咧帶嚟國家級非物質遺產中華戰舞，仲有咧就係法國夢幻之馬呈現嘅巨型夜光馬表演，呢個喺香港咧係從來冇見過㗎。同時亦都係頭先咧我哋見到黃人萬芭蕾舞學校嘅朋友咧聯成表演嘅。
Tonight's parade brings together world-class performers from around the globe. 13 groups are making their Hong Kong debut this evening. Highlights include the Fumei Youth Yinga Dance Troupe from Puni City. They have already appeared on the CCTV Spring Festival Gala, performing together with a 6-year-old prodigy, and she is definitely going to showcase the national intangible cultural heritage, the Chinese war dance. From France, we have Prius Shiva, presenting a gigantic luminous horse performance, crossing over with the beautiful kids that we met earlier on from our very own local Gina Wong's Le Ballet.
亦都唔少得咧，就係冠軍級嘅人馬啦，當中包括有3位世界級嘅小舞者坐陣街舞啊，就係 Rudy's Dance School，仲有就係榮獲 World of Dance Hong Kong 2025冠軍嘅 G&B 舞團啦，仲有就係全國殘疾奧會啊，勇奪3金3銀嘅中國香港輪椅體育舞蹈運動協會都會帶嚟精彩嘅表演㗎。
特別俾啲掌聲啦！國泰多謝佢哋連續第24年贊助國泰新春國際匯演之夜。Let's give another big round of applause to Cathay for the 24th consecutive year sponsoring the Tour Parade.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can't count on me. 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. Can't count on me. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
國際會演之夜現在開始，恭喜發財！大家好，我係陸榮啊！
大家好，我係珠海明哈兒。
歡迎大家收睇由香港旅遊發展局主辦、國泰冠名贊助、國泰新出國際會演之夜啊！哇，現場嘅氣氛好熱鬧，俾啲聲嚟聽下先！好開心喺大年初一咧，匯聚咗咁多朋友喺尖沙咀香港文化中心呢度咧，目的一個係一同投入一年一度享譽國際嘅新春盛事啊！
冇錯啦，為咗令大家咧用最開心同埋最幸運嘅心情咧去迎接新嘅一年啊，有個好嘅開始啦！我哋今年嘅花車匯演嘅主題就係開年開運開心，希望同大家迎接一個豐盛嘅馬年啊！
犀利啊！所以我哋今晚點少得匯聚嚟自世界各地頂尖嘅表演團體，再加埋我哋本地咧非常之優秀嘅表演類目啊，一定可以將國際嘅元素、香港文化完美咁融合啊！
嗱，喺我哋身邊就見到有嚟自中年好聲音、星夢同埋星尋嘅一眾歌手啦。大家都有可以喺年初一號咧係全球朋友見知㗎。我哋香港作為國際嘅大都會啊，喺呢個時候不如就同我哋全球嘅觀眾一齊拜年啦！我哋祝大家馬到豐盛，馬力全開。
喺咁喜慶嘅大日子，我哋非常之榮幸可以邀請到香港特別行政區行政長官李家超先生光臨呢度咧，同大家拜年㗎。喺呢個時候，我哋掌聲歡迎，亦都恭請香港特別行政區行政長官李家超先生，有請。
We now like to invite the Honorable John Lee, the Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, to extend New Year's greeting to everyone. Let's welcome Mr. Lee.
李家超先生將會以廣東話、普通話以及英語同大家拜年。
His Lee will convey New Year's wishes in Cantonese, Mandarin, and English respectively.
各位嘉賓、各位市民，大家好！今日係丙午馬年大年初一，我呢度首先同大家拜年，祝大家喺新嘅一年福星高照，馬到功成。